Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? It's true. It's why I made the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, real quick before we get into today's subject matter, let's talk about this painting. I hate it. It's bad. I just had a bad painting week. This is the second and third paintings that I attempted this week. I tried something else that's not involved on this canvas, and it just... God, I don't know, man. Just my hands weren't working right. So, oh well. It's not the worst thing I've ever done, but it's definitely not the best. But they can't all be bangers, right? Anyway, let's talk about this week's thing. So recently on Wednesdays over on twitch.tv/RevScarecrow, I've been doing analog horror nights. So we'll watch something. And a couple weeks ago, we ended up watching The Walton Files, which is a horror series. It's not something that I'm like super into, but it's a classic as far as analog horror goes. It's kind of like a Five Nights at Freddy's sort of thing. It just didn't really hit the mark for me. The art wasn't really there for it. The plot didn't really work for me. It just didn't work on a bunch of different levels. And someone in chat was like, well, you know, don't send hate towards them or whatever. And that's where this whole conversation came up. So in response to that, I said, no, don't send that person hate. Like, I don't like what they did. Like, I don't think it's very good art. Like, you know, it doesn't work for me, but I respect this person so much more than so many people that I run into on a daily basis who are like, oh, you know, I've got ideas, but, you know, I just don't do things. Like, I feel like you can't be against idea guys like I am, where, you know, someone just has an idea and just is waiting to have someone who will just do whatever they want for free. And then not respect someone who just puts it out there and does the work. Like, they did it with what they had. Someone in chat was saying that they did all the art on their phone. And, you know, they did this, that, and the other, and they're young and all that. Dude, I have so much respect for them. Like, I didn't care for the thing itself, but they went out there and they made a thing. They posted it. So many people could learn from that example. Is it perfect? No. I had someone in my chat a little while back saying, oh, you know, I want to do, you know, webcomics, but I'm worried because my art's not very good. And I'm like, dude, whatever. People love to see artists get better as webcomics go on. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, what's more important is getting it out there into the world. Do your best, obviously. Do whatever your best is, but holding yourself back until you do it good, whatever. No, we're not about that energy here. I'm not about that energy here. I want you to be putting out work that is something rather than nothing, because the art you make is 100 times better than, or 1,000 times, million times better than anything that you didn't make. I don't care if it's not perfect. It's better because it exists. So if you've been thinking about doing a project and you're like, I'm not good enough yet, or I don't know, like, people will make fun of me, dude, whatever, you made a thing, and that's super duper important. So please, if you're waiting on making a project, stop. Just do the thing, and you'll have my respect, even if I don't care for it myself. Like the Walton Files guy, I didn't like it, but I like that he made it, and he's getting a lot of praise, or they're getting a lot of praise. I actually don't know who made it, but they're getting a lot of praise for their work, and I agree with them. Like, he deserves it because they made it. They made the thing. So get out there and make a thing, even if it sucks. It's better than not making it, I guess is the point I'm trying to make here. Anyway, let me thank the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow. They're the people who help keep the lights on, allow me to do this thing. If you donate $5 or more, you'll be able to get into the Discord and also into the credits here. That's what these people did, starting with my parents. Thank you, guys. I love you. Thank you, Wap Fu. Thank you, Top Houndor. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, The Drunk 2010. Thank you, Terry Maverick. Thank you, Snoutpunk. Thank you, Skelecorgi. Thank you, Mortis Nautis. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, BD648. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. And thank you, Ants! I'll link to the Walton Files thing at the end here. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.